Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 4, Algorithms and Flowcharts. Today's topic, Introduction, Algorithm, Characteristics of an Algorithm, Flowcharts. So children, let us learn one by one. Introduction. Children, can you think of a day in your life that goes without problem solving? The answer is no. Dear children, we perform various activities in our daily life, such as buying stationery, packing the school bag, polishing the shoes, doing homework. All these activities involve in a series of steps in a sequential order to get the desired output. Similarly, if you give instructions to a computer to perform a task, the instructions should be stepwise in a sequential manner. So children, what is a program? Yes, the set of instructions written in a stepwise sequence is called program. So children, if the programmer forgets any instructions to write in a sequential manner, the program will not be correct. It will be producing the wrong result. In order to ensure the program instructions are appropriate for the problem and are written in a correct sequence, the program must be planned logically. Children, let us understand what is algorithm. To solve any problem on a computer, we need to analyze and understand the nature of the problem. We need to plan the input and apply the required methods step by step to get the desired result. This step-by-step procedure to solve any logical and mathematical problem is called an algorithm. For writing an algorithm. Children, an algorithm should be written in English-like language. It should be written in simple and precise manner so that everyone can understand it. An input is required to write an algorithm. Each step should be written in a sequential manner. One can include variables and define mathematical expressions to calculate the result. Statements that are of similar type should be combined to avoid a lengthy code. Each instruction should be executed within a reasonable time frame. To ensure that an algorithm produces the expected output, it should be checked using simple values. Children, let us see the example of algorithm to pack your school bag. Children, step 1, open the school bag. Step 2, take out your school diary. Step 3, see the timetable. Step 4, go to your bookshelf. Step 5, take out the books and notebooks. Step 6, keep them in the bag. Step 7, close the bag. Then let us know what are the characteristics of algorithm. Input. An algorithm should have 0 or more well-defined inputs. It receives only inputs. Generality. Algorithm solves all problems of certain type. It works on set of inputs Definiteness. Each instruction should be written in a simple and precise manner so that everyone can understand. Uniqueness. Each step in algorithm should be uniquely identified and an output of each step should be dependent on the previous step. Finiteness. An algorithm must always terminate after a finite number of steps. Output. After the instructions are executed, the user must get the desired result. Flowchart. Children, a flowchart is a pictorial representation of the steps. It is represented graphically. The process of drawing a flowchart for an algorithm is known as flowcharting. Children, once again, what is flowcharting means? You should write the process of drawing a flowchart for an algorithm is known as flowcharting. Children, let us learn different symbols and their functions. Start or stop box. This box is used in the beginning and ending of the flowchart. When we represent a flowchart, children, this box will be represented in the beginning and the ending of the flowchart. Input or output box. It is used for accepting inputs or giving outputs of the program. Processing box. It is used for writing the processing instructions and doing calculations. Decision or condition box. It is used for checking or applying any condition in the program. Flow lines. These lines show the direction in which the control of the program is moving. These arrows are used to connect the various geometrical symbols in the flowchart. Connectors. These are used to connect one part of the flowchart to another. Understood, children? Task of the day, children. Write lesson number 3 question and answers in your classwork. Children, we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.